September is apple time, and who doesn't like apples? This fruit is especially delicious in autumn and has so many wonderful health benefits. Today, I'm putting a spin on the classic apple pie by making colored apple pie roses. I'm Lauren, and today at the Princess Baker, I'm showing you a healthy apple pie recipe loaded in flavor and decorated in fall colors. How about them apples? Start with apples, of course, and slice in half. Then remove the core and the pits. Red apples work great with this recipe, but are even better for the decorating part. Then cut the apple into slices. Thicker slices will snap later on, but also don't make them too thin. Try to make them each look the same width. See? If you have a mandolin, break that baby out, because she will guarantee easy slicing at the same thickness. Perfect every time. Now let's make those roses colorful. Place the apple slices in a bowl and add some lemon juice. This will keep the slices from browning. Then take some water and add a few drops of gel food coloring. Mix, and then give the slices a color bath. Make sure each slice is coated thoroughly for beautiful petals. Try other fall hues like orange and yellow. Then microwave for about 2 minutes so the slices become soft. You want them to be bendy but not able to snap. Lay out some pie crust. Today I'm using good old store-bought. And roll it out so it's about 1/8 of an inch in thickness. Puff pastry dough will also work perfectly for this. I'm aiming for a rectangular shape. That way I can cut long strips about 3 inches in width. This is some added autumn flavor. Spread preserves on the strip. I'm using apricot today, but strawberry and orange also complement apples really well. A sprinkle of cinnamon makes everything more fall tasting. Then lay the slices on the dough, with the rounded part above the edge, and each one overlapping the one before. Let's fold and roll some roses. Gently fold one layer of dough over the apples, but don't cover the tops. Make sure you can see the top of the slices. Then gently roll up the dough from one end to the other, using one hand to roll and one hand to guide the apples. And voila! Apple rose. Isn't she beautiful? But don't stop there. Let's color the dough for extra vibrant flowers. Add gel food coloring to some lemon extract and paint both edges of the pie dough. You don't want to use water here because the dough will absorb all the liquid and end up falling apart. Then flip the dough over and repeat on the other side. Once rolled, you want all of the crust showing to be painted. Add preserves and cinnamon, and then lay the slices down. See how one is going slightly over the one before? That's what you're aiming for. When you fold the dough over, you will see why you paint both sides. Fill in any color gaps as you see them, then carefully roll up. It's a beautiful rose. Place these in a cupcake tin and bake at 400 degrees for about 40 minutes. When you're done, you'll have a beautiful bouquet of autumn apple pie roses. They taste light, sweet, and super delicious. I hope you enjoyed making your apple rose bouquet with me. Make sure you subscribe for your next adventure with the Princess Baker.